We're going to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. All you need to know is what a, b and c are. A is always the number in front of x squared, so a is 2 in this case. B is always the number in front of x, so b is 7. And c is always the number that's left over, so c is -4. Now we know what a, b and c are. We simply put those numbers into the equation. Eventually we get the answer. So if you know how to substitute numbers, you don't really need to check out the rest of the video. But if you're not that good at it, I suggest have a look what I do. So since b is 7, I'm going to replace b squared with 7 squared and minus b with -7. Since a is 2 and c is -4, that a is going to be replaced with 2 and that c is going to be replaced with -4, and -4ac becomes -4 times 2 times -4, and 2a becomes 2 times 2 because a is 2. Let's follow it through. This becomes this. 7 squared is 49. -4 times 2 times -4 is 32. If we go through that slowly, -4 times 2 is -8. -8 times -4 is +32, because minus times a minus is a positive or a plus. 2 times 2 is 4, so this became this. The next stage is really short because all I did was change square root of 49 plus 32 into square root of 81, because 49 plus 32 is 81. Then what did I do? Well, square root of 81 is 9 and -9. Whenever you square root a number, you always get two answers which are opposite each other. So square root of 4 is 2 and -2. So in this case, square root of 81 is 9 and -9. And that can be, well, this is short for actually these two possible answers. So x is equal to this. Well, that means x is equal to two possible slightly different things. Let's go through them. Well, as I said, I've got +9 or -9. So this is the +9 version, this is the -9 version of this. You can see -7 and 4 in both of these. What happens if I try to simplify this? Well, -7 plus 9 is 2. So this becomes 2 over 4, because it's got 4 on the bottom. And this, 2 over 4, simplifies to half. So one answer is x equals half. And the other answer, well, we get that from simplifying this. -7 minus 9 is -16. And -16 divided by 4 is -4. I'm going to do a quick review. Let's zoom to the top. We had an equation, we got a, b and c. Just by looking at the equation, we put those numbers into the formula which is going to give us the answer. When you do that, you get this. When you replace these letters with numbers, you get this. And you can see it's slowly simplified until we get to this stage, which has got two possible answers, +9 and -9. So we write the fraction with a +9 here and a -9 there. simplify each of these and you get each of your two answers. So x equals half and x equals minus 4 are the two answers to this equation. Thank you.